Okay, this is the first time. It is missing dot. It's for Epson printer. The missing dot, and when you print, you can see the line here. And then after cleaning the printhead, there is no dot, but it's good. There's no missing dot. Now it's no missing dot. That is that. Okay, this printer. After we run the cleanings 1 or 2 times, we need to turn off the printer at least 8 hours. Now the printer will turn off already, and now we try to print the nozzle check. Yesterday we run the heat cleaning 1 time and we turn off the printer, and now this morning we try to print on this works. Yes. Okay, now we press this one to print the nozzle checks. 1, 2, 3. Now to see what is happening. Okay, it's very good. So for the printer option or Canon, when we run the deep cleaning 1 time or 2 times, at least 3 times a day, we cannot run more widget. If the quality is missing like this, we need to turn off the printers at least 8 hours. You can see now it's clear. Yes, you can see it's clear. Compare this one and this one. It is not clear. It's make the print have a line like this. You can see. Just hit the line. If it's missing or missing the color like this. If the missing the color like this, the print quality is like this. Okay, so sure.